Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is SherelleSaintRose and today I am back with another video. So in today's video, as you can tell by the title, we'll be doing a high puff on my natural hair. So let's get straight into the video. So the first product we'll be using is by Creme of Nature and is their Perfect Edges Extra Hold Edge Control. And I absolutely love this product. It's one of those products that I just cannot live without, and when it runs out I go and buy more, and I even buy multiples. And as you can see, it's doing so well in holding down my full C hair. Another thing that I really enjoy about this edge control is that it makes your hair look so shiny, and I've tried other edge controls in the past and they've been nowhere near as good as this one, so definitely go and check it out. I purchased this one from my local beauty supply store. So the second thing that I'm doing is just using a part of a stocking as a headband, and the reason why I do this is because you can really control how tight or how loose you put the stocking around your head. I have really bad luck with ready-made headbands. I feel like if I wrap them around twice, they're way too tight, and if I just wrap them around once, it's way too loose, so I definitely prefer to use a stocking instead. Also, I find that stockings have a lot more stretch. But if you do decide to use a headband, quick tip is to not use one with a metal attachment. That little metal attachment, I know it's only minuscule, but it can cause a lot of breakage. So the second product that I'm using is also by Creme of Nature, and it is their Strengthen Shine Leave-In Conditioner. This product is really good for giving your hair that little bit of extra hydration. And something that I really love about this product is that it works well with anything. You know, sometimes when you have two products in your hair at once and then it will start to turn white because the products just don't go together. You definitely don't get that with this leave-in conditioner. It works with absolutely everything. The third product that I'm going to be using is Ecostyler gel, and I'm going to use this to be defining the curls in my hair. And as I said before, sometimes when you put leave-in conditioners and hair gels together, they just simply don't work. You can see that these products go so well together. As for Ecostyler gel, I really like it, but I'm trying to find new hair gels to use because this is literally my go-to hair gel, and it's okay, it's not that special, but if you do know any other hair gels, please comment down below and I'll definitely give them a try. To create my curls, all I'm doing is the Shingling Method, and sometimes I'm using the flat brush to detangle my hair because I did notice that some bits were a bit curled up on themselves and a bit knotted. To do the Shingling Method, all you need to do is grab a piece of hair and smooth the hair gel down it and basically just separate it into pieces, and then you'll get your curls. I know a flat brush isn't the best way to detangle your hair, but I didn't have anything smaller. All I had was a wide tooth comb and a Denman brush, and the bristles were too wide to detangle my hair with that. Also, this process of doing the Shingling Method took me around 10 to 15 minutes. It didn't take long at all. So once I've defined the curls all around my hair, this is what it looks like. It's very cute and very curly. But now it's time to do my edges. I'm just going to take some of that edge control that I used before by Creme of Nature and simply just do my edges. Now, I'm no expert at doing edges, but today, whoo, I don't know what I did, but they came out so nice. Normally I get my edges correct on like the third or fourth try, but I literally just did one stroke and it just came out perfect every time. Comment down below, what do you think? Do you think my edges came out good? So that's a finished look. It took me around 20 minutes to do, so much quicker than my usual high puff routine. I really hope you enjoyed this quick 5-minute tutorial, guys. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!